tournament, which will be starting tomorrow. So we just have some weather to get through, and we're hoping the Pro-Am gets off with no problem.
Yep. The big story today, though, we have showers and storms, and it's more humid out there today as well. So the humidity will be highest today, and then the humidity drops as we go into Thursday and Friday. Fun fact, with the heat and the humidity have been increasing over the last, let's say, 20, 30 years or so, because the heat and humidity have been warming up with climate change. The number of mosquito days that we have per year has also been increasing as well. So let's take Columbus from 1979. Here's the x-axis. From 1979 to 2022, the number of mosquito days has increased by 24 days here in Franklin County in central Ohio. Now, what do we use for criteria for a mosquito day? I'm so glad you asked. That's a great question. So a mosquito day is when you have temperatures between 50 and 95 degrees. The relative humidity, the threshold is 42%. So 42% humidity or more, and temperatures between 50 and 95 is actually a mosquito day. And so out of all the cities surveyed, 64% of cities have seen increasing mosquito days here in the lower 48. That is just remarkable. Air quality alerts have been issued here, not for us, but for our neighbors up to the north in Cleveland. We will be looking at moderate air quality across the map today as we have some smoke coming in from Central America. Most of this is going to be up high in the atmosphere and should not impact us here at the surface of the earth for today or tomorrow. Here's our next storm that we're tracking off towards Illinois. That's going to be rushing off to the east, and that will be arriving in central Ohio in about 8 to 9 hours from now. So mid-afternoon going into late afternoon, we'll be looking at those showers on our doorstep. 8 o'clock in the morning, 9 o'clock, nothing to worry about, but we'll stop the clock right there. What time is it? This is 2 o'clock. Looking at a few pop-up showers, and then real meat and potatoes of the action is south and west, and that starts kind of cruising on in. Now, our high-resolution forecast models are showing some of these darker oranges and reds on the map, which would be indicative of some heavier torrential rainfall. If that happens, it just happens for 5, 10, 15 minutes, and then you wipe it off and move on with life. So I'm not expecting any widespread flooding, but there could be temporary ponding on roadways if you do get stuck under one of those cells. And then we get a lull in the activity by about 7 o'clock, and then by 9 o'clock we have some more activity off to the west that will be rushing back in. So here's a look at tonight's system. That cold front moves on through. The winds will go to the northwest, and then high pressure is back just in time for Thursday and Friday, and that's going to lower the humidity and make life wonderful around here. Temperature is dropping off to 74 on Friday. Can't wait for that. The Memorial Tournament continues through the weekend. Friday and Saturday are your two best days for the Memorial Tournament. And then as we head towards Sunday, rain chances increase. And then Monday, we'll be looking at a few showers, maybe an isolated thunderstorm. Tuesday through Friday, we are back in the low to mid 80s. Unfortunately, the humidity is also going to be on the rise as well.